Okay, so we're gonna need to staple something here, here, and one right in here. All right, so we're gonna add, so basically y'all, we're making that little curved line. All right, so I'm trying to make sure that the sign doesn't hang over too far on this edge so that it doesn't make the box that much bigger than it needs to be. So y'all, next we're gonna make our bow. Y'all, I'm gonna go about 32 inches on this one. All right. So just our strip. All right, we're gonna make another, pretty decent tail, 24-ish inches. All right, we're gonna go about 6.5 to 7 inches on the loops. All right. So we did 7-inch loops. Now we're gonna do about 6.5. Y'all, just slightly smaller. Y'all, and look, just enough ribbon to finish it out. So one more small loop and our tail. Take our pipe cleaner, fold it in half, pull this off here. Y'all, we're gonna add this bow right up here. All right, y'all, we're gonna take our ribbon, we're gonna pinch it about halfway out and just make ourselves a little loop. And then, y'all, so when I did that, I took my ribbon, folded it in half, and then where I attach it back at the grapevine is where this loop is the same height as these loops. So pull it back, test it. Look, it's still too short. Pull it back, test it. That's about right. So y'all, same trick, right? We're just going to see where in our loop is about the same size. All right, so y'all, same thing. We're going to trim those tails. Just get this nice and fluffed out. All right, I'm gonna trim this way down. All right, I'm gonna put this stem as close to that bow as I possibly can. All right, so I'm gonna get some of these leaves in between here. All right, so our goal here is to get this stem filled out this way. All right, little zip tie. Yo, I'm gonna use that zip tie to press this stem down and just zip tie it right to the frame. And then I'm going to hot glue it at the top. All right. Y'all, look how fun that is already. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Y'all, this one, we're gonna get trimmed short. All right, let's get this one fluffed out. All right, so y'all, on this one, I'm going to zip tie this stem in both places. Y'all, I need to get another zip tie down here. Y'all, literally all I'm doing is zip tying the stem to the top layer of the grapevine. All right, we're gonna take all those little stems and just kind of pull them up. Y'all, let's and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the boxwood towards the base. So on camera, it looks really good, but if you get certain angles, you can still see right down in there, and I just need it to be a little bit fuller. All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna go as tight to the base as we can. And then we're gonna weave it throughout. Y'all, we're gonna keep doing it just a little bit more. All right, y'all, we're gonna take these little scraggling pieces and just place them down here to kind of keep that look flowing a little bit more. This time I did not add greenery into the bow, but what we can do is pull some of the leaves that are around the bow and bend them in. Y'all, we can't leave this side over here naked though. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the trimmings off of this guy, or turn them into trimmings, one or the other, and place it down here. I got glue strings everywhere. There we go. I would list this as an everyday grapevine.